Imagine waking up, sipping your coffee, and realizing your money worked harder than you did, all while you slept. No 9 to 5, no burnout, just smart, automated wealth building. But here's the catch. Not all that glitters is gold. AI trading bots could be your golden goose, or your digital disaster. So what are they really? And should you trust them with your money? Let's break it down, in simple words, with powerful insights that could shape your financial future. At their core, AI trading bots are software programs that use artificial intelligence to automatically buy and sell financial assets like stocks, crypto, or forex. They scan the markets 24/7, faster than any human ever could. They analyze data, predict trends, and execute trades, all within milliseconds. Ever tried to beat a machine in chess? Now imagine playing chess, with your money. Yeah, not a fair fight. Some bots follow rules-based strategies, like buy when prices dip 5%, sell after a 10% gain. Others are machine learning bots. They learn from data and adapt over time. This brings us to the big question. Here's where it gets tricky. AI bots aren't magic wizards. They're only as good as their data, coding, and strategies. Use the wrong bot or trust the wrong platform, and your dreams of passive income could turn into a financial horror story. There are bots out there built by amateurs, or worse, scammers. They promise 200% returns. But guess what? So did Bernie Madoff. The market doesn't wait for anyone. A badly programmed bot could lose thousands before you even blink. And with AI evolving fast, the gap between smart investors and those left behind is growing daily. Here's a fun thought. Would you hand your wallet to a robot named Oopsie V2? Exactly. Vet your tools. Don't gamble with hope. But here's the good news. Smart traders don't avoid AI, they learn how to use it. Here's how you can make AI trading bots work for you, not against you. Start small. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Use trusted platforms with proven track records and transparent algorithms. Understand the strategy. Even if you're not coding it, know the logic behind it. Keep learning. The more you know, the more power you hold. When done right, these bots can give you back your time, so you can live, build, and grow beyond limits. And if you're wondering, is it too late to start? Here's the truth. The future isn't coming, it's already here. AI is reshaping how wealth is built, and those who understand it today will own tomorrow. Don't be the person who says, I wish I had started back then. Be the one who says, I started smart, and never look back. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more no-nonsense guides to building your wealthy future with AI.